So today I'm cooking poor man's burnt ends with a chuck roast, and I'm gonna add a little bit more smoke flavor to it by using the Mr. Smokesome refill kit. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up, and inside we have apple, cherry, and hickory. So I'll go ahead and take some of these hickory wood chips, and using a metal spoon, I'm gonna feed some of these directly into my Weber Smoky Mountain. Now it gets kind of hot and it's a little narrow in there, but you can see down in here, we're burning right along. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it right here. Any extras will just fall right in. Take a little scoop and put it right down there on the fire. A little bit more. Well, that's good right there. Now, first thing that's going to happen is that they're going to start to smoke right before they ignite, and you can see the smoke already. Let me get that closed real quick. So it's been about 5 minutes since I put that Mr. Smokesome Wood Chips in there, and look at it go. Look at all the smoke that's being generated, and that's exactly what we were going for. We just want to give it an extra hit of smoke that it's going to get in there and add to our flavor layers of our chuck roast poor man's burnt ends. So you can find this on Amazon, and you'll see the link below. That is an affiliate link, so if you use that, I will get compensated, but it won't cost you anything extra. Thanks for watching.